how to change the time duration for Game Booster Auto Touch Protection on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, we tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then, swipe up on the home screen to go into the app screen. And in here, tap on Gaming Hub. After that, tap on the More button at the top. Then tap on Game Booster. Now in the Game Booster settings, tap on Auto Touch Protection. And from the list of seconds and minutes, you can select from 15 seconds to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, all the way up to 10 minutes. So select a time period that you would like to use. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to return back to your gaming hub, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.